Racing just started with El Indio. Break quickly at the start. Calypso is on the outside. Stingray. Then followed over by Real Thunder. Don Vito comes next. Be My Baby. While the flyer raised the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have El Indio by about 3/4 of a length lead. Calypso in second, moving up on the outside is Stingray, then followed by Real Thunder. Be My Baby, now moving up to take fifth. Then next on line is El Indio. While entry number 5, and this one is the flyer, is racing in less. Back to the leader, we have El Indio by our length and a half, Stingray. Then next on line is Calypso, Real Thunder, Be My Baby. The flyer comes next, while Don Vito now racing in less. And Diana went entering the home stretch. We have El Indio by about 2 lengths. Stingray moving up now on the outside is Be My Baby. And Diana went entering the home stretch. We have El Indio by about half length. Moving up on the outside, Be My Baby to take the lead. We have Be My Baby by about 2 lengths, followed by El Indio in second. The flyer is on the outside. And finally, it's Be My Baby. El Indio, the flyer. Then comes Don Vito.
Sino yung pang-lima? Palagay ko si Calypso na rin dahil yun ang medyo malapit eh.